Hey there! Have you ever wondered where your customers are buying home and garden products online? Well, thanks to the confinement period, many people decided to invest their time in new home improvement projects. In fact, according to a survey, 28% of the participants named DIY and gardening as one of their favorite activities. So those are great news for the DIY industry, which keeps having a growing demand. Thanks to the pandemic, actually sellers from the DIY sector with a well-established online platform had a competitive advantage over their competition. So those platforms, mostly marketplaces, which are paving the way for DIY e-commerce, should be considered as sales channels for your upcoming online strategy. And we know how overwhelming it can be to find the right sales channels. So we wanted to give you an overview of the most relevant marketplaces in Europe. Therefore, we decided to compile a list of the top 5 marketplaces where you should start selling your products today, in case you aren't already. So the top 5 marketplaces to keep in mind are: 1. Manamano. 2. Leroy Merlin. 3. Masons du Monde. 4. Home24. And 5. Wayfair. If you are curious to see how selling there could look like, feel free to contact us. And if you want to be up to date, also make sure to subscribe to our newsletter.